western Wyoming until 3:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 2:44 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 miles east of Franklin to 8 miles southwest of Woodruff to near Rockford, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Evanston, Randolph, Lake Powell, Garden City, Woodruff, Garden, Bear Lake, Honey, Wasatch, Castle Rock, Meadowville, Pickerville, and Lakota. Foliage protection moved to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties: Weaver, Utah,